Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Getting ready to use my new air fryer with the huge fry basket to cook this 12-inch pizza. And here's how the basket looks. It's huge. Look at that. 12 by 12. It's called the EdenPeer Unique Air Fryer. And I'll be cooking this pizza I got from Jewel Foods. Signature Rising Crust. I didn't know it was Rising Crust when I bought it. Spicy Italian sausage pizza. Okay. So we're going to see if it looks like the pizza on the box. And I'll be adding some pepper and some Italian seasoning blend. Always doctor up stuff. It says it's made with real cheese. Okay. That's a plus. It's been sitting on the counter for a few minutes. I just got through doing my Week Wednesday review. So it's kind of not frozen no more. It looks good. Looks like it got two kinds of cheese on it. It looks like cheddar and mozzarella and the spicy Italian sausage. Okay. Put this packaging off. Let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Right here. I'm gonna need these. Be nice to plug this in. Baby is eating and he drinks his bottle to the last drop and then he gets mad when you take it out his mouth. So he ain't just sitting there sucking air. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm putting it right in the this drawer. I'm not putting no grill plate or nothing in here because I'm taking this plastic off. Okay. That's how it looks in here. See, it fits in here perfectly. And I'm going to put on this Italian seasoning mix. And the pepper, green, red, white, and black peppercorns. And it's supposed to be a Rising Crust pizza. I didn't know it when I bought it. I didn't realize it. Put this sausage over here. Okay. So, put it in. Move this out the way. Y'all see this? I'm going to pull it out from the wall. Turn it on. And I'm going to put put it on the, they have a frozen pizza setting and a fresh pizza. It's kind of thawed out. I'm going to put it on the fresh pizza setting. I'm putting it on the fresh pizza setting. So it's at 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. Turn it on. See, it does light up for a few seconds. In the meanwhile, I'm going to fix this box. I always cut the box. That way I can put the pizza back in here and slice it right in the box, and it'll stay covered up until it's eaten up. My oldest daughter told me this is what they used to do when she was away at college. How they would do their pizzas. And I've been doing it ever since. That way you just let it cook pizza right in here and you slice it right in here. And then close it up. So you leave the this part. Okay. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, here's the pizza. Wish they made plastic pizza peels. Let me get this out of here. I need 2 spatulas. I'm getting another spatula. Big one. I have a stainless steel pizza peel. I wouldn't dare scratch up this basket. Ooh. Okay. You want to see this pizza? Let's see how the bottom looks. Got grill marks, y'all. That's how the basket looks. It got ridges. And put it back. And I'll get these crumbs out of here later. Okay. Crispy crust. I think I had this pizza before. Last time I made pizza, somebody commented and said, "You made a video just to show a burnt pizza?" That was a real thin crust pizza. This ain't thin, and it cooked nicely. Taste it when it cools off some. I'm putting this hot thing in my mouth. Okay. I didn't get a thumbnail. That's how it looks. This is how the picture looks. Okay, we're going to see how it tastes. Okay, got a couple slices. Found a loose sausage, so I'm going to eat this. Spicy Italian sausage is good. How the bottom of the crust looks. It's crispy. You hear that? Eat another sausage. You taste the sauce. It's hot. Seasoned good. I'm gonna break off a piece of this crust. I ain't biting this. I have all the hot cheese going in my mouth. I broke off a piece of the rice and crust. Taste it. The dough tastes good. It rolls that much. Get another sausage. Y'all know I like sausage. No, I'm not going to pick it up and bite it. It's too hot. I've seen people bite piping hot pizza. I think they biting a little bite and then all that hot, piping hot cheese and sauce go in their mouth and they don't know what to do. Well, I ain't about to do it. So, I want to thank you all for watching me cook in my newest air fryer again. I love it. It's a keeper. Y'all hear Jair? He talks. Yesterday he did the cutest thing. Walter had him and I went to him. I did like this. He held his arms out to me. Told Amber. She said, he ain't never done that to me. I'm special. Big Mama is special. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.